This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Breath of the Wild. First, ensure you have a clear understanding of the game's mechanics and glitches. You'll need to prepare your inventory by having at least one of the item you wish to duplicate. This technique can be incredibly useful for acquiring rare materials or large quantities of common items, saving you many hours of grinding. Let's dive into the first method. One popular method involves using a multi-shot bow. Equip a bow with at least 3 shots, along with the item you wish to multiply, such as a valuable gem or an arrow bundle. Open your inventory, drop the bow, then quickly equip another bow and drop it too. Repeat this process about 5 times. When you exit the menu, the items should appear on the ground, ready for collection. This can yield up to 5 duplicates per attempt. Another effective technique utilizes a shield. Equip any shield and the item you want to duplicate. While holding the shield, open your inventory, drop the shield, and then quickly equip a different shield. Repeat this action about 7 to 10 times. Upon exiting the menu, you should see multiple copies of your desired item scattered around Link. This method is particularly useful for multiplying rare shields or other valuable equipment, providing a quick boost to your resources. Before attempting any duplication glitches, always save your game. This ensures you can revert if something goes wrong or if the glitch doesn't work as expected. Remember that game developers often release updates that can patch these methods, so they might not always be available. Use these techniques responsibly to enhance your adventure without completely breaking the game's challenge. Enjoy your newfound abundance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.